Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ5 versus Porsche Cayenne. We'll dive into their performance, interior luxury, and overall value. The Audi SQ5 boasts a potent 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing 349 horsepower. The base Porsche Cayenne also features a V6, offering 348 horsepower. Both vehicles provide exhilarating acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in approximately 5 seconds, making them thrilling to drive. Moving inside, the Audi SQ5 presents a sophisticated, driver-focused cockpit, adorned with premium materials and intuitive technology. The Porsche Cayenne counters with an equally luxurious cabin, featuring a state-of-the-art infotainment system and exquisite craftsmanship. Both SUVs comfortably seat 5 passengers and offer generous cargo space, making them practical for daily use and longer journeys. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi SQ5 delivers a sporty and engaging ride, characterized by its agile handling and responsive steering. The Porsche Cayenne, while also sporty, offers a more refined and customizable driving experience, often with advanced suspension options. Regarding value, the SQ5 generally comes with a more accessible starting price, while the Cayenne represents a higher-tier luxury performance SUV. Deciding between these two depends on your priorities. The Audi SQ5 is an excellent choice if you seek a strong balance of performance, luxury, and everyday practicality at a competitive price point. If you desire the pinnacle of luxury, extensive customization options, and a slightly more prestigious badge, the Porsche Cayenne might be your ideal match. Both are exceptional, but cater to slightly different tastes. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.